Alright guys, I'm back out here with the glorious Helliway. A glutton for punishment for sure. Here it is. But this time, it's a little bit windy, but I'm not going to stay long. I just want to see if this works. I'm out here with an Android phone this time. So I'm going to try to fly it with the Android, because what I found out was by watching JDS's video is that the Android version is in English. So let's try out some video. See if that's working. Okay, now what I'm seeing on the screen, the screen is completely frozen. Now it's showing that it's recording, but you can see, I'm going to turn the quadcopter this way and that way. You can see the screen is not moving at all. So I'm going to stop the video. God, this thing. Okay, now, okay, there it came back. Please. I don't know. Let's shoot some more video. Okay, the GPS is on too, by the way. Let me go into these settings. I'm just going to let it sit there. I'm just going to try to get some decent video out of this thing. This thing is... There's some birds. Maybe they'll come and grab it and take it back to their house. Okay, well, it looks like the thing is locked up again. The app is frozen. But it still shows that the... Let me turn the Jeep. There. Okay, well, it just keeps coming back and forth. The app will freeze. Oh, I don't know why I keep torturing myself with this garbage. So it'll go here for a while, and then the app will freeze for, 30 seconds or so. I gotta be the only retarded idiot in America out in this 95-degree heat to fly this piece of dog shit. Let's turn the GPS back off. Oh, we can't do that. It'll drift away. Here, look at it. Without the GPS on, it's going all over the place. It takes off for the hills. You have to lock that GPS in. Keep this thing still. Okay, so there's the screen. It's frozen again. So, it's this goddamn thing. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. And I really don't even know if the video's recording or not, to be completely honest with you. Who knows? I mean, it says it is, but the screen's frozen. So we're just going to go to see how long the battery lasts, to see maybe at least if I got that battery bug if I've got that worked out. Who knows? I mean, in the GPS hold, it seems okay. It's just sitting there. But since the app's frozen up, I have no idea if, you know, it says on there 16 satellites and 61% battery, but since the app is frozen, who knows if any of this stuff's accurate? The only thing that works on the app is the countdown for the video. That's the only thing that's working. Everything else is frozen. The telemetry's frozen. Yeah, it's stuck on 5.3 meters. I'm going up, and it's just stuck on there, 5.3 meters. Yeah. The whole app is completely frozen. Seems to fly okay. Seems to be pretty maneuverable. But the damn app is frozen, so it's... This thing is very annoying. Ugh. Okay, I'm gonna stop the video and try to get this app to come back. I'm gonna close out the app again. I had to dig this old Android phone. How to connect. I know how to connect. Quit putting that up there. It says device not connected. This thing. Up there it goes into the landing. So the battery must have went dead. So oh well. To say the least, it's a piece of shit. Okay, so I tried it with an Android and that didn't work. So it's frozen, it's buggy, it's just garbage. Okay, I'm putting this into mothballs now. This was it here. I'm not messing with this no more. I'm tired of it. something that had so much promise. It's just so disappointing when it's not even, you know, it's not even a little bit good. You know, so buggy, the app. I'll tell you what, these guys that program these fucking apps, these guys are fucking morons, okay? These people shouldn't be allowed anywhere near the App Store, okay? These guys should be banned from having anything to do with programming apps, okay? They need to outsource this shit to somebody that actually knows what they're doing, okay? Instead of hiring the people, the janitors, okay, the me hung low janitor to come in, oh, here, program this app for us. Okay, so it's extremely frustrating. All right, guys, have a nice day.